Hello guys, and yes, you can say here I'm gonna help you or help me to learn this framework, and it's based on JavaScript, and I think it's cool because finally you can use it to build some website, to build some web page that you ever dreamed of. So let's get started. Yes, guys, I'm gonna recommend you an extension that is this. Okay, as long as we got it, we can turn off Google Translate. Now let's do some configuration in the setting. Double click to translate. Yes, we're gonna use it. Auto translate after stroke. What's the stroke mean? Okay, I don't know. Just keep it open. Pointer and price to translate. Over words to translate. I don't think so. Automatic pronunciation. Yes, that's what we want. We're gonna say Chinese to English. No, we're gonna say English to Chinese. Okay, that's good. Let's try it out. For example, this word, nothing happens. Let's refresh this page and double click this word.
Progressive.
Progressive. Yes, he just pop it out with English expression, explanation. But we don't want this. We want Chinese or something like that.
Progressive.
Still English. I don't get it.
Progressive. Progressive. Framework.
Still this. So probably I should change the language to Chinese. Here we go. And now let's open Charm again.
Progressive. Progressive.
Okay, I'm just fed up with this setting, and I decided just looking at this definition, if I don't understand it, fine, that's fine.
Progressive.
Okay, let's get started. Learn this framework. Vue, or how to say it? View, like view. Okay, let's read it like view. Vue is a progressive framework for building user interfaces. Unlike other monolithic frameworks, Vue is designed from the ground up to be incrementally adaptable. The core library is focused on the Vue layer only and is easy to pick up and integrate with other libraries or existing projects. On the other hand, Vue is also perfectly capable of powering sophisticated single-page applications when used in combination with modern tooling and supporting libraries. Okay, let's just move to the important thing. For example, here. So let's do something important. For example, let's go to JavaScript folder and create a new folder. Let me say Vue, okay? And let's go into it and open with code. You know code. Code is actually the Visual Studio Code. It's a Microsoft IDE. Yes, you can see that. And we can create a new field. Let's give it a name. For example, index.html. I guess it's right. And yes, we will go into it and we will see this. So first, what we need to do is copy this line. Okay, this
Less
line.
than script src equals https://cdn.js deliver.net path :/npm/view/dis/view.js greater than less than script greater than.
Oh shit. Okay, this line is very important because without it, you are not be able to import Vue.js library. Declarative rendering. After the core of Vue.js is a system that enables us to declaratively render data to the DOM using straightforward template syntax. So we can do this. But wait a minute. The first thing we need to know is what's the HTML looks like. It says nothing. Simple HTML templates. Well, maybe just the HTML. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. I'm gonna use this.
Less than doc type HTML greater than less than HTML greater than less than head greater than less than title greater than page title less than title greater than less than head greater than less than body greater than less than h1 greater than this is a heading less than h1 greater than less than p greater than this is a paragraph less than p greater than less than body greater than less than HTML greater.
Okay, as you can see, the basic idea of HTML is you put everything inside the tag, for example, title or head or body or script. Those tags, you put information, you put the parameters in it. And here I'm gonna call this page as Vue test, and that's the head. And for the body, what are we gonna say? We're gonna create a div. It should be a div, and this div has something in it. For example, message. Okay. I think it's just a waste of my time, so I guess I should do this. Okay, fine. Now everything gets right. This div has an arbitrary ID equal to app. Then we're gonna create a script in it. What are we gonna say? Variable app equal to new Vue, yes, and we're still gonna say this. Element len equal to how to read this? Hash. Okay, hash. I get it. You know, hash is this. Okay. Data equal to message. Message. Hello Vue and hello world. I guess I'm gonna say that. Okay, let's save it. The most important thing is you should open this on Charm. Look, what we get is hello Vue and hello world. Let's make it bigger and you should see it. Yeah, that's good, and we must admire. Let's close this and go to here. We have already created our very first Vue app application. This looks pretty similar to rendering a string template, but Vue has done a lot of work under the hood.
Hood.
What's that mean? A covering for the head and neck with an opening for the face. Okay, I don't understand. The data and the DOM now have linked, and everything is now reactive. Yeah, that's what we are looking for, reactive design for web page. Okay, right now, I'm gonna create a second div. Did you really think that's only div? I think
div.
It's probably some word like division or something like that. Let's say div id equal to app. How to read this? Dash. Okay, dash. Yeah, that's right. Dash. App. Dash two. App2. I'm gonna say this. Span way dash bind. How to read this? Colon. Oh yeah, colon. Title equal to message, and we will say move your mouse here and you gonna say something. Okay. Now let's write the JavaScript codes. We would say variable app2 equal to new Vue element equal to dash a hash app dash 2 data equal to message you did it let's say Tom new date, and we're gonna say to locate string. Yeah, and we're done. I hope it works. Anyway, let's save it and go back to our page and press F5 to reload this page. Yeah, and when I move my mouse to this sentence, I'll get you did it on this time. I know this time is wrong, but it's fine. At least we get it. Probably we need to add this in our HTML code and run again. Okay, now it's look better.
Toggle presence.
Wow. Now, as you can see, we're gonna do something amazing. Let's first define a div id equal to identification, I guess. Identification, yeah, equal to application dash 3 span with if scene. Now you see me and write JavaScript codes right in here. Variable app3 equal to new Vue. I guess I did something wrong. Element equal to hash application dash 3 data equal to seen true. Okay, now let's save it and run it. Oh, I forgot the new line. Nothing happens. Why? Go ahead and enter application3.scene equal to false in the console. Okay, let's do that. app3.scene equal to false. Okay, now you should see it clearly. And when I hit the enter, you can't see that sentence anymore. And if we say it's true, you see it again. Okay, that's what they call reactive in the real time. You can control your HTML page just using JavaScript. Let's go to the next experiment. We're gonna define a div id equal to app-4 and ol. So I don't know ol, what's ol mean, but I will just do it. Sometimes you don't have to figure it out to do in to-dos, or maybe we just change it to something else. Let's say great man, okay, whatever. And we say it's man. I guess I use man.txt. Man nest. Actually, it's a nest. Okay. And then we write the code. Variable app4 equal to new view. Element len is hash app-4, and don't forget the what? Let's say how to read it. Comma. Don't forget the comma. Data equal to we only got one data, that is man nest. So you're gonna say man nest equal to, okay, it's a last, so you have to put all elements in that symbol, in the square symbol. And for every element, we're gonna put it into how to say it?
Opening curly bracket.
Bracket. We're gonna put it into bracket. Yeah. And what we need is text. Okay, text. So you're gonna say text equal to the first man is inside XO, and the sixth, maybe we should change the text to len. So we're gonna change it here. We change it to len. So we can get we can make it right. The second len is let me say Superman. Yeah, Superman. And the third man is God. Okay, God. Fine. I'll just have these three elements in that list. Okay, now let's save it and see what will happen. Nothing really. Why? Why? It shouldn't be. I think it should be work. My God. So let's change it back to text, I guess. Okay, it's still the same thing. It doesn't work. How about get rid of the last? Okay, it's still the same thing. Fuck. I guess I'm gonna die in here. Let's just copy and paste.
Less than div it equals app4 greater than less than ol greater than less than lev4 equals toto introduce greater than toto text less than le greater than less than ol greater than less than div greater than var app4 equals new view l patch app dash 4 data to-dos text learn JavaScript text learn view text build something awesome
And read. What? Why? He's just work and the way we don't work. Fine. Must be something wrong. Something somewhere gets wrong. Shit, let's make some change. Oh, now I got it. Finally, I got it. Okay, it's a for loop. First, you should know it's a for loop. And for every element, for example, this element we're gonna call man. For man in mans, so in man, okay, or in man nest. That's the simplest same. And we're gonna say this lamb, okay. For every man in man nest, then here is what we JavaScript code gonna do. We're gonna say in that data structure, we're gonna say man nest and len equal to for example int IXO, and we just copy it 3 times, and we'll say God or Superman. In this case, it should be work. Yay! We did it. So the basic idea about this example is it just show you how last works, how for loops works in Vue in JavaScript. Okay, it's a something like pattern nest. You just have to be clear about that. Yeah, that's cool. And because of it, we don't have to render all last in the server. We could just put the data into user's browser, so it won't cost much resources on our server. Okay, here we go to the next section, handling user input.
Directive.
You know what? I think maybe we should put the latest app in the front of our web page. So in that case, we could see it more clearly. So you're gonna say div id equal to app -5 and a paragraph equal to, we gotta insert message to it. Message. Okay, the next thing is a button. We click equal to reverse the, it's a function name, so we should say it's reverse message. Okay, fine, we'll just do that. And reverse, I think you shouldn't call it message, it's actually a text. Okay, we're gonna say reverse this text. Okay, fine, that's what we need in the HTML body section. We're gonna say variable application file equal to new view element len equal to hash application -5 data equal to message hello view digest. The the method is reverse text, and we're gonna define a function, use function keyword, just like C++, and just like, you know, Golang or something like that. Yeah. And this message, this text, this message, oh yeah, this message, because we just defined that message, writing that there, okay. But we should change that first. As you can see, here is the variable message. We're gonna change it to text, so this would be right. Reverse the text. The text is actually in that paragraph, in that p table. I'm gonna say this text equal to this dot text dot split and reverse and join again. Let's save it and see what's gonna happen. Maybe text messaging. Oh my god, you can just simply say you wanna call this text. You have to define it in JavaScript. So here the data len should be text, okay? And now let's run it again. Just click the reverse this text, you get it, and click it again. I must say it's fine. It's fun. But I have a little bit tired about this. Let's just copy this and paste. Change the ID to 6. This time we need the button, for instance, but instead we're gonna use input we model text. Just copy these codes and paste. You shall see it. Change this to 6. Maybe we still need that button. Okay, now we are ready to run it. If I click the reverse this text, you shall see not only the wow, it's amazing. Did you see that? As you can see, as I'm typing in this input box, the text of that paragraph also changed with me. It's amazing. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Component. The component system is another important concept in Vue because it's an abstraction that allows us to build large-scale applications composed of small, self-contained, and often reusable components. If we think about it, almost any type of application interface can be abstracted into a tree of components. Here you can see a picture. It shows 1, 2, 3 parts, three components, and each component, the first component does not have any children components, but another two got. As I can see, this section is a bit of difficult to understand. We'll probably just skip it, as I always do. Okay, let's skip it. Okay, right now, today's learning is finished writing here. And if you have any interesting, please do some subscribe. And yeah, maybe I will see you in the next week. Goodbye.